Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to redeem Amazon gift card in your Amazon wallet. Couple of days ago, I am receiving referral credit for my Rotimatic, and that's why I'm making this video. How to redeem Amazon gift card in Amazon wallet. Let's check it out. So how to redeem Amazon if you receive some of the gift cards. So look at this. I purchased Rotimatic 1 year ago. Some of the person are use my referral code and I am receiving 75 major US dollar. So it's very simple to redeem this money in your Amazon wallet. You enter here your Amazon account. This is my Amazon account. After that, here the account section, and here the gift card. You click here and look at this. Here my previous balance is 15 major US dollar, and here one of the option is available, redeem gift card. You just simply click here. After that, come to your email and click this link, and after this link is open here, wait couple of seconds, then click unlock your rewards. So look at this, your rewards is unlock activated. This is my claim code. I copy this one. Previously I put it here, the wrong one, and then click and boom, look at this. Now I have in 125 major US dollar in my Amazon wallet. So this is a simple process to unlock your reward. First of all, click this link, put in the security code, and after that this security code generate this claim code, and you can copy this claim code and put it here. It's very simple process. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.